Good morning, boys and girls. Well, off to get my tyre. Hi ho. I was out yesterday and slipping and sliding all over the place, so I shall be really pleased to have that back. Went out this morning, 3 o'clock. My nephew's going to the Gambia for a holiday, and I said I'd run him there in the car. 3 hours in a car, my God. I now really understand why I ride a motorbike. What a glorious day again, look. Isn't it absolutely stunning? It's alright, I'm trying to find a comfortable position for the mic. I have to ask, do you spit or do you swallow? And no, I'm not being rude. I sneezed 3 times on the trot yesterday. Deep intake of breath. I sucked the foam cover off the microphone. Didn't want to swallow it. And I didn't want to spit it because I would have lost it. The trouble is, I was doing about 85 on the A12. Sorry, I was doing 70 miles an hour on the A12. And it was a very, 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 very windy day. And I didn't want to open my mouth for fear of it getting blown out. You know, if I'd lifted my visor, opened my mouth to take it out, it would have disappeared. So there I am, waiting until the next turn off, sucking the microphone foam. Life and all its glory, isn't it? All its gory details. And for those of you who thought my comment, suck or swallow, was going to be rude, shouldn't have such dirty bloody minds, should you? I don't. God-fearing Christian. Somebody the other day took the mickey at me having a bleeper on my indicators. Now, then actually, the indicators, yeah, I occasionally left them on, but it serves a good purpose. I borrowed a friend's bike and he had one, and I noticed that when you're at junctions and filtering and roundabouts, people pay attention. They know you're there, they hear it. So I stuck one on my bike. When I'm sitting between 2 cars set of traffic lights, I like them both to know I'm there. So if I'm just slightly in the blind spot, they'll hear the noise and at least they'll look. Oh, there we are. Here we be. Right, got me new tyres on. I'll stop for a milk in a minute and I'll let you have a nosy. Nicely fitted. Maybe the back tyre. Lush, isn't it? Keeping the old front. Got 2,000 miles left in it. The reason I got the pair is because he did me a very, very special price that I'm not going to get again. I paid the equivalent of 1.25 tyres for the pair, because at the moment business is very quiet and he wanted the custom. So not only have I got 2 tyres at 1.25 the price, I've got a spare front with 2,000 on. Of course, tyres covered in emollients, I've now got to scrub them in a bit. So I'm forced to go for a little ride. I can feel, already feel the difference. They're feeling more secure. They're feeling more balanced. There's no, what can I say, there's no vibration. They're not tracking on the ridges anymore. I love new tyres. Just love new tyres, so sexy. Now this little road was getting to be a bit of a nightmare with tracking, and she just instantly feels so much more confident. I was having a talk with the mechanic who fitted my tyres. He's a biker as well. And he fitted the Michelin pilots to his. He's got the K1. And he was on BT45s. And he's actually got on the chalkboard his pilots for sale at a reduced price. Okay, that's me done moaning for the day. See you anon.